welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Ebony and today we are filming an unboxing video. Today we'll be unboxing the Coach Brooklyn shoulder bag 28 in the color maple, and this bag has been on my wish list for quite some time and I don't know if I would have ever gone for the bag, so shout out to my friend for gifting me such a beautiful bag in the midst of all my chaos of moving and freaking out and being overwhelmed. So I can only tell you like how happy I was to open this box in the midst of getting like all these packages. So you can only imagine I'm getting new, like I'm ordering stuff every day from my apartment, and then I get a box and I'm just like, Coach, and I open it and I see the sweetest card and I'm just like, I could cry. I did cry. I did shed a tear. But I was so filled with gratitude and joy, and I'm just like, I love it here. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing of this beautiful bag and let's talk about it. One thing's for sure, two things for certain. I am a presentation girly, and Coach did not disappoint with their gift wrapping feature. I was in absolute awe when I opened this bag. I couldn't believe how beautiful the color was. I absolutely loved the style and the dimensions of this bag. The feel of the bag, it's a natural grain leather and it's a very soft texture, which I absolutely love. I love that this bag features an inside snap pocket, making it easy for me to access my wallet at any time. I also am a fan of the magnetic snap closure. I have not had any troubles with the bag opening on its own or not closing. One thing I find very helpful in unboxings is knowing the measurements of a bag. So this bag is an 11 by 11 by 3.75 with a drop in the handle of 10.5 inches. And for reference, I am 5'7", and that's how the bag falls on me. So now that we've opened her up and seen all her glory, I can definitely share now that this has become my new daily, everyday bag. Daily, every day, not a second thought. I literally get dressed and I grab this bag. I never thought I would see the day, because if you're new, you would not know that my essential bag, like my favorite purse of all purses that I own probably, yeah, I think it is of all of my bags, is my Polene Numero Dix bag. I don't remember how to say it, but I'll have the video linked above. But it was my daily go-to bag. I feel like the shape was super unique. The leather is really nice. And it was just a classic black bag. Now, I'm not abandoning her by any means. She's not being abandoned by any means. I will say that I love this bag more because it's also a classic bag, but it has more space. So I don't have to worry about trying to cram in like my camera, because like with the Polene bag, it's a lot smaller. So I barely can even fit in my camera and my phone and my wallet in it. But this here, everything fits. I can even put a book in here if I want, a journal, a planner, anything. One thing I have had to adapt to doing with this bag is using like a little organizer or a little makeup pouch of some sort to kind of keep my things in order, from they're not falling all over the bag, just because the bag is such an open concept where there's no compartments except for that back pocket, which is usually where I keep my wallet. But I usually use one of these to kind of put all of my like maintenance-y type of things. So like my lip gloss, my hand sanitizer, lotion, mints, things like that, whatever will fit in here. And then I usually carry my AirPods with me when I'm out. So I'll just hook them onto the little hook that's in the inside, just so that they're kind of out of the way or easy to get to. But you can also use that same hook for like your keys as well. But yeah, I really do love this bag. I feel like I gravitate to it every time I'm getting dressed, and I'm just like, girl, give the bag a break. She just got here. You're working her overtime already. I've had her for about a month, and I definitely can say like, we've been outside. Yeah, we have been outside. I will say I struggled with this bag when I first got her because I wasn't sure if it would look good on me or if I really liked it. I was having a hard time adjusting with the whole fact that there's no compartments. It's just a drop center. I also was just like, how does the color look? I was like, I think you're just making excuses, girl, to not like enjoy the bag. And so I had put her back in the box for a little bit, and then I was getting dressed one day and I was like, I don't have a bag to wear with my outfit. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna have to change my clothes, but I wanna wear this. And then I grabbed this bag and it tied the look together perfectly, and we have been since then. So I'm really excited to have her. I feel like it's the perfect size. Again, this is the 28. I'm happy I got the 28 because I feel like it's not too big, not too small. It's just right. But yeah, I just feel like hobo bags are very like classic. They never go out of style. They're easy to style. They go with everything. And the colors that they have for this bag are stunning. They have so many. The other one that I was thinking about getting was actually the suede one. There's like a brown or like a tan suede color that I really like. And I also found like the red bag. I think they have a red one as well. That one looks really good too. I don't really play with reds. I don't know why. I just don't have any red in my closet, but the red bag looked really nice. But yeah, I definitely love this bag. I'm so grateful for this bag. If you have any questions about it, or if you're on the fence about it, if you have any reservations, yes, she makes the perfect gift. Yes, she makes the perfect treat yourself gift. Like, I definitely think you'll get your wares out of it for the price. And there's so many colors to choose from. And I think they're coming out with more colors as well. And I think the colors vary by size as well, but don't quote me on that part. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions about the bag or like want to see me styling the bag, please let me know. I am happy to make another video on that. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.